everyone, welcome to Sparkle Memories. I'm Sita Ram. This is the place where you go and it has different topics in terms of self-care, organizing videos, demonstration, cooking videos, and of course Mary Kay. Today's video is about YouTube video content ideas. Now I have a few here. It's a little long, but I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible. If you're new, like, subscribe, and share. Now, as far as the YouTube videos, a lot of things go on and you don't know which topics that you want your YouTube to be about. Now, YouTube is a search engine and you can find things of various different topics, from things that you may have known before, things that you have learned, a lot of different things. Now, you could make a video about something that you know, whether it be like an informational video. And believe in me, people love action. The more enthusiastic you are, the more friendly, do a lot of smiling and interacting with people, then the better it'll be for you. Now, as far as day in the life blogs, make it exciting. You make it simple. If you get to a point and it's not simple, then you're doing a little bit too much and people don't like over conversating for whatever topic you're talking about. Like, seriously. I have to put it out because I've seen other YouTubers and the content is like, oh my god, like get to the point like sometime today. Like seriously. I sit down there and watch it for a good 9 minutes. I'm like, oh my god, this girl has not even start talking about what the video is about. Like, for real? You're going all day, girl. The next thing you could do is how-to videos. Whether it be cooking, if you have maybe a dance move you want to know how to do, like the Cuban shuffle or the Tootsie Roll or some kind of old dance or new dance, you could do a video about that. You see how Soulja Boy got started? He did his like YouTube thing and then it took off. Why not? I mean, in this time, anything is possible. You really gotta sit down and think about what you're doing. Like, always trying to make it exciting. Don't be here thinking that you're gonna make 20-minute videos and people are gonna sit down and actually watch it. Okay? There's another thing. Time. Check out your time. If you have to put a little timer next to you, then do that. Like, for real. Some of y'all go like way over and beyond an hour and you knew. Ain't nobody watching that long, sweetie. Unless you Martha Stewart or somebody. Okay? Storytelling. If you want to do storytelling on something that happened to you, your friend, your family member, you want to drop names, not drop names. My thing is, right, a lot of people take it a little bit too far. Like, a little bit too far, okay? If you want to back somebody online, don't use YouTube to do it because it is just the worst. No, don't do that. Then we also have videos about put on makeup. A lot of people have put out videos on doing makeup. Whether it be contouring, you're doing your eyeshadows, you're doing your eyebrows, you put on lipstick, you probably put on a wig, how the different type of wigs, from the lace to the synthetic hair to human hair, and how to braid your hair, several different things, how-to stuff. A lot of times people do self-care and then like in the house and they show you the bathing and pampering yourself and lotion and all these extra add-ons. I totally get it. Like, okay, you want to do self-care? Do self-care. Great. If that's what motivates you and this is what you want to talk about on your channel, then do just that. But that is an idea. Self-care could be anything. Self-care could be you sitting down, pampering yourself. It could be you exercising. It could be you talking about different topics in terms of taking care of yourself, whether it be eating healthy, exercising. Yeah, I already said exercising, but I'm talking about yoga. When I say exercising your mind also. Because sometimes people tend to think that it don't have to be about a particular item. You want to test a lot of different angles, unless you're trying to brand yourself and get people to your website or some other item in terms of not YouTube and probably Instagram or Facebook, something else that you want to use as social media, that's fine. Another one is life as an entrepreneur. A lot of people start a business now. I've seen people launch businesses on lipstick, lip gloss, and it's still in high school. Like, you can do this still. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? But don't be a copycat, okay? And if you're gonna copy the right cat, okay? Then we have videos on how to do YouTube videos. I say how to do YouTube videos if you're just starting a channel, because a lot of times you might not even think about it. If you've been on YouTube and you've done like 25 or 20 videos, you're ahead of somebody who just started their channel. So you can assist them like through steps 1, 2, and 3, what you did in terms of getting your subscribers, getting it started, and what you want to have your channel. Like if you have a website, you could have your website in your description and then talk about it and try and get people to your website or your Instagram, Facebook, whatever one that you use, it, Snapchat, all that. Another one you might want to do is when it comes to travel is another one that's very exciting, because if you say, for instance, you live one place and you've never been to some place like Portugal, China, Africa, and guess what, people are traveling there, and if you could vlog about that and your travels and have your like camera or phone, a lot of people do it on an iPhone. I have an Android, you know, I do it on my Android. I don't do it on my laptop though, or my iPod, but hey, use whatever device that you want. The thing is editing the videos. A lot of people use iMovie. There is different things that are free, different things you gotta pay for. A Final Cut Pro is about $300. You can do that if you want to, you know. But try to get something that's interesting, because you gotta understand, people are not gonna come to watch your content and you there all day trying to figure out one point. They will click out within a matter of seconds. This is just an information video today, so that you know your YouTube channel can be just about anything. Don't make it complex. The simpler it is, the better it is. People like routine. If you say, for instance, you come to a place and say Walmart, you go to Walmart and Walmart changes colors tomorrow to green, are you gonna know that's Walmart until you get inside and see the big old sign? Not if they had a sign and it was just a regular Walmart, they change the colors to green and there's no sign outside. You go inside, nothing's organized. Would you know that's a Walmart? Of course you would, because it will have on the shirts. Now, if it was just built, maybe not. You probably see a sign saying coming soon or something. My thing is, if you do something routine, try to make it as familiar as possible. Don't try to be creative to the point that you always have to make it completely different for other people that you see. Don't recreate the wheel. Sometimes recreating a wheel is what gets you all complex, because every time you do a video, you're trying to get up and date it and do stuff. You can do that, but do it a little at a time. Don't put yourself to a position that you feel it has to be outrageous and people will love it and people will like, share, subscribe. People go based on your personality, and if you're not boring, and you have to be very enthusiastic, and you have to be, yes, this is what you want to do, yes, yes. Some people I've seen, and I'm telling you, they have a ton of subscribers and boring as I don't know what, because I don't know the right words to say, but boring. But they have a lot of subscribers. You know why? Because people like the personality, and they might talk about topics they're interested in. Nothing wrong with that. You have to find your own tribe, your own crowd. No, it's not a cult. You need to just find people who are like-minded, who like your content, and you keep it moving. Now, you might not be for everyone. So if you want to limit your comment section, please keep in mind, comments are going to come from everywhere. And you're going to get people that like you, dislike you, love you, hate you. It's going to be people discriminate. You're going to get people who talk about you, good, bad, the ugly. Get over it. If you want to be famous in YouTube and all that, you didn't want a whole bunch of new people. I'm talking about worldwide, universal people from all over, not just the US, okay? Because we get to the point, there's people with several different topics, different views. They might not agree with what you do. They might not agree with what you say. They might just like the fact that you do YouTube videos and your hair looks on fleek all the time and it looks great, and they love your makeup. They might just watch you for your makeup. But try to be consistent. Don't try to load once a month and then expect your channel to blow up. No, it kind of doesn't work that way. Now, some people have 2 or 3 videos and it goes viral. It happens, okay? Just like it happened for 1 or 2, it can happen for you too. I want to encourage you, if you haven't started a YouTube channel, start it today, okay? Those are just some of the topics in terms of doing a YouTube channel. This has been a video about YouTube channels and how you can go about doing your YouTube channel. This is Miss Sitaram. I'm Spawn Foxes. This is Miss Sitaram. I'm from Sparkle Memories, giving you another broadcasting about content in terms of showing you about YouTube items and different things you can use in terms of ideas that will assist you with getting to get subscribers, like, share. Always trying to share with other social media networks, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, anything else that you want to do online. You can advertise your business and so much more. Till next time, in the next video, this has been Miss Sitaram from Sparkle Memories. Bye-bye.